back to my channel for people who know me and people who don't know me. Hi, my name is Dhruvi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be doing this makeup look. This is a soft and dewy pink nude makeup look. So, if you are interested, then keep on watching till the end. So firstly I'm going to be moisturizing my face. So for that I'm going to be using my Pond's moisturizer. I'm going to be leaving all the links in the description box so you can find and check that out. So this is a dewy makeup, so we need a heavy moisturization. So yeah, I'm going to be doing heavy moisturization and I'm going to be massaging the cream all over my face. So you can see the glow in my face it gives. So yeah, this is what I wanted. So for moisturizing my lips, I'm gonna be using my Himalayas Peach Lip Care. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Color Sense and Insight foundation. The Color Sense was a bit darker and the Insight one was a bit lighter. So I mixed both of these, and with the help of sponge, I'm going to be blending it all over my face. Before makeup, make sure you wet your sponge because it becomes easy to blend your foundation with the Damn Beauty blender. So I'm going to be blending it really properly. Both this foundation in a mixture gives me a very dewy makeup and dewy base. So yeah, I like to use this because it's winter, so dewy makeup to chalta hai. So you can see how juicy and dewy this foundation is. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. I'm in the shade dark brown. I'm gonna be shaping my brows really properly, not that properly, and with the help of spoolie I'm gonna be shaping it properly. Nextly I'm gonna be concealing my under eyes. So for that I have just used the foundation. I have not used a concealer because concealer becomes really dry, and therefore I'm going to be using the Insight one which I used as a foundation. I'm going to be using it as my concealer for under eyes and all. So with the help of Damn Beauty blender, I'm going to be blending it very properly also on my eyelids because eyelids dark nahi lagne chahiye. So yeah. So I'm gonna be just powdering my face a bit because chip लगेगा उसके बिना. So I'm gonna be just doing it a bit. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix compact powder. This is in the shade NC25. So for eyeshadow I'm gonna be using the Neon Obsession palette. This is the pink one. I have used that pink shade, and then with the help of the blending brush I'm gonna be just spreading this pink shade all over my lid and blending it really properly. With the help of small brush I'm gonna be applying it also under my eyes. So I've took this pink shimmer shade for my eyelids. I'm gonna be just applying it on my lids in the middle one. So for eyeliner I'm going to be using the In Color liquid eyeliner. I'm going to be making a wing eyeliner as usually I do. Nextly for under my eyes I'm going to be using a kajal. This is the Lakme Colossal Kajal. for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So for lipstick, I'm gonna be using this lipstick. This is from Romantic Beauty. I don't know I could find it or not. If I'll get it, I'll leave the link. So I'm gonna be using this as a blush because ठंडी के टाइम में पाउडर ब्रश नहीं चलता है, तो इसलिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड आई लाइक यूजुअली लाइक टू यूज़ lipstick as my blush because it easy to blend, and with the beauty blender it's more easier. So this is dewy makeup, so we need a highlighter. I'm gonna be using this highlighter because this is very pigmented, not that pigmented, but yeah, it's pigmented and it looks natural. So yeah, I like to use this because it gives me very natural finish. So I'm gonna be highlighting my high points of my face. For lipstick, I'm gonna be mixing 2 shades of this lipstick because ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही रेड था और जो इसके बाद वो जो न्यूड वाला है वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही न्यूड था. So yeah, I'm gonna be mixing both these shades. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Bye.